You're lying in bed right now, phone face down, but you've already checked it 11 times tonight. You know exactly what you're looking for. One message, one sign, and there's nothing. Just that silence that sits on your chest like a stone. She's not coming back, not to the version of you she left. Here's what nobody will tell you. Chasing her harder is not the problem. Being the same man is the problem. And by the end of this video, you're gonna understand exactly what she lost feelings for and what you have to become before any of that changes. But what you actually broke isn't what you think it is. Right now, you're doing one of three things: texting too much, going completely silent and hoping she notices, or explaining yourself again, trying to make her understand. None of it is working. You know that, but you keep doing it anyway. Every message you send right now is proof she was right to pull away. Here's what's actually happening inside her mind. She's not thinking about what you said. She's feeling something. And what she's feeling every time your name lights up her screen is pressure. Pressure is the single fastest way to kill attraction. Not anger, not distance, pressure. You became predictable. And predictable means safe. And safe means invisible. You stopped being the man she had to think about and became the man she had to manage. And there's one specific moment you don't even remember that started all of this. Here's the truth nobody talks about. Women don't lose attraction because of a fight. They don't lose it because of one mistake. They lose it the moment a man stops having a life that exists without her in it. The moment your happiness became dependent on her response, she felt it. Women feel that shift before you even realize it happened. It's not logical, it's biological. You became the man whose world revolved around her, and that feels like love to you. To her, it felt like weight. Love didn't push her away. Need did. So let me ask you something, and be honest with yourself right now. When was the last time you were genuinely excited about something that had nothing to do with her? Because the answer to that question is the exact moment you started losing her. And what you do with that answer is what determines everything that comes next. This is the part most men never reach. When you rebuild your life, not as a strategy to win her back, but as a decision to stop waiting, something changes. In you first, then in how she sees you. Marcus Aurelius said it simply: confine yourself to the present. Not to her timeline, yours. When you go quiet, not to punish her, but because you're genuinely busy becoming someone, her mind fills that silence on its own. When you stop explaining yourself and start moving, she starts watching. That's female psychology working for you instead of against you. Silence with purpose hits different than silence out of pain. Here's the action. 1 week. No contact that is motivated by fear. Fill every hour you would have spent checking her profile with something that makes you stronger, physically, financially, mentally. Not to perform it, to actually do it. The man she fell for didn't need her. He wanted her. That's the only version of you she can fall for again. And when she does reach out, and some of them do, you'll need to know exactly what to say. Because getting one shot wrong at that moment costs everything. You didn't ruin it because you cared. You ruined it because you forgot who you were. That man is still in there. He just got buried under the panic. This channel exists for men who are done being the version of themselves they're embarrassed by. If that's you, subscribe. Leave a comment below with one word that describes how you feel right now. No judgment, just men being honest with each other. And if you have a brother going through this, send him this video. It might be the one thing he actually needs tonight.